Steps to start a mobile kitchen business. To start a mobile kitchen business is a quick way to get cash flow when you need to start a business urgently. Steps to start a mobile kitchen business. 1. Develop a business plan. 2. Choose your mobile kitchen. 3. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. 4. Build your menu. 5. Equip your mobile kitchen. 6. Create a brand. 7. Hire staff. 8. Market your business.
1. Develop a business plan. Create a business plan that outlines your goals, target market, financial projections, menu, marketing strategy. 2. Choose your mobile kitchen. Different types of mobile kitchens: food trucks, food trailers, food carts. Choose the one that best suits your business needs and budget. 3. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. First, check with your local government. You will probably need a food service permit and approval from the health department. Also, a business license. 4. Build your menu. Build your menu to align with your target market. Your menu must set you apart from competitors. It is better to source your ingredients locally. Surprise your customers by offering unique dishes. 5. Equip your mobile kitchen. After all, your mobile kitchen needs equipment to operate. You'll probably need at least the following equipment: a stove, a refrigerator, cooking utensils. You should invest in quality equipment that is durable and easy to use. 6. Create a brand. Develop a brand that resonates with your target market. Choose a name, logo, and color scheme that are memorable and unique. Design marketing materials such as business cards, flyers, and menus. 7. Hire staff. You may need staff for food preparation and cooking. Also, and importantly, customer service. 8. Market your business. Market your business by using social media. Also important, develop a website to market your business. Online directories is also a good way to attract customers to your mobile kitchen. Attend food events and festivals to gain exposure and build your customer base.
Concluding. Starting a mobile kitchen business requires careful planning and execution.